Anti-pyramid health product? Police? Will you mind calling back in an hour? There's nobody here right now.
Would you like to have this?
Yes!
Well, then you need to sell. The new super nutritious NutriBar from CNT Pyramid Health Products wants you to sell it. Everybody wants this. Everybody needs this. And you want their money, don't you?
Yes!
So that you can have this?
Yes!
Well, then you need to get out there and sell.
Sell! 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 Sell!
Oh, Candy. I don't know if I can do this.
Sally, your sales are down now. No sales yesterday.
I will have soul, but I don't know if I have what it takes for this job.
Mr. Diamond wouldn't have yelled at you yesterday if at least you sold one health bar.
Sally! I would like to know if you plan on selling anything today.
I will try.
Don't try. Do. 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 Girl lacks confidence. No backbone.
The police called again.
Well, I'm gone for lunch. I'll be back tomorrow. Kata would sedikit membingungkan dalam bahasa Inggris. Kata ini hampir sama dengan will, tetapi mengandung arti mungkin atau jika pada situasi tertentu. I would go with you if I can. She would like to meet you sometime. I would hate to miss the bus. I wouldn't want to be late. She wouldn't like it if you said that. They wouldn't believe you if you told them. Will is a much stronger sense of the future tense. Although ironically, in the video, the girl uses will because she's trying to force herself to be definite, but it's not convincing.
I will try.
Would terkadang digunakan dalam bentuk kalimat sopan sederhana untuk permohonan atau tawaran. Would you like memiliki arti sama dengan do you want, tapi terdengar sedikit lebih sopan. Would you wait a moment? Would you care to have lunch? Would you like another drink?
Will you mind calling back in an hour?
Would you like to have this?
However, yes!
As in the video, would you mind can also be used as a small threat. Achaman. Would you mind turning down the music? Would you mind leaving now? Would can also be used in the past perfect tense, would have, to talk about things that you should have done or you wanted to do, but you didn't. Or things that you did do, but you wish you hadn't done. For example, I would have gone to your party, but I was busy. I would have called you if I had time. I wouldn't have bought it if I had known it was broken. She wouldn't have fallen if she was more careful.
I will have soul, but I don't know if I have what it takes for this job.
Mr. Diamond wouldn't have yelled at you yesterday if at least you sold one health bar.
Two interesting idiomatic phrases in this video are don't have what it takes and backbone.
I don't know if I have what it takes for this job.
No backbone. Don't have what it takes means that you don't have the motivation or the ability to do something. Backbone, ini maksudnya kurang berani untuk sesuatu. Hampir sama dengan guts. you don't have the guts to do it.
Anti-pyramid health product? Police? Will you mind calling back in an hour? There's nobody here right now.
Would you like to have this?
Yes!
Well, then you need to sell. The new super nutritious NutriBar from CNT Pyramid Health Products wants you to sell it. Everybody wants this. Everybody needs this. And you want their money, don't you?
Yes!
So that you can have this?
Yes!
Well, then you need to get out there and sell.
Sell! 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 Sell!
Oh, Candy. I don't know if I can do this.
Sally, your sales are down now. No sales yesterday.
I will have soul, but I don't know if I have what it takes for this job.
Mr. Diamond wouldn't have yelled at you yesterday if at least you sold one health bar.
Sally! I would like to know if you plan on selling anything today.
I will try.
Don't try. Do. 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 Girl lacks confidence. No backbone.
The police called again.
Well, I'm gone for lunch. I'll be back tomorrow.
Mr. Diamond will F. Mr. Diamond will Oh my god, sorry.
I don't know what it takes for this job. If I have what it takes for this job.
Sally!
Not yet.
Hey! The new NutriBar from TNC.
TNC.
Oops!
TNC.